Alden, it's your update and about sa international movie ni Alden. Last 3 days na lang, malapit na matapos yung movie ni Alden. Saka ito yung interview kay Alden.
Hello mga kapuso, I'm Alden Richards and I'm going to be answering your questions today.
Yan, question and answer with Alden Richards.
Wow, Antarctica. Because I think never pa ako nakapunta doon. Something different and something siguro na hindi isipin ng mga tao for holiday season.
Yan.
Not so bad, definitely. Siguro hindi mawawala yung spaghetti ng lola ko. I think, ngayon nga na, now that she's medyo matanda na, but she sees to it pa rin na she always cooks that for us. Because it's a family tradition to have her spaghetti all the time during Noche Buena. Niregaluhan ako ng tita ko na green shorts na Harry Potter. Pag Christmas season kasi, pag nagbabakasyon kami sa San Andres Bukid sa mga tita ko, mahilig nila akong Alaskahin when I was young. So, currently, during that time, biglaan yung pag-aya sa amin to stay there. Tapos kulang ako sa shorts. So, ang ginawa ng tita ko, may extra shorts daw siya. So, binigay siya sa aking Harry Potter na shorts. Pinasuot niya sa akin, and then, nung gift-giving na, pag abot sa akin ng regalo, yun yung shorts na sinuot ko na. Medyo may comical ano lang siya, backstory. I hope that whatever it is that we are going through, sana wag tayong mapagod to fight for what is true. Laban lang tayo, fighting tayo mga kapuso. Yes, after Christmas and until New Year and my birthday, the family will fly to the US for the holidays.
Post ni Alden.
Di ba? Grabe, ang daming Christmas ang Paurein. Tap and catch na. 20 million pesos araw-araw mula December 12 until January 14, simula 8 p.m. May extra 10 million pesos sa 9 p.m. for app users only. Download na ng Casino Plus app dahil panalo ang Pasko, pag Casino Plus ang kasalo.
Yan. Yan, nag-workout pa nga si Daddy Bake. Yun, no? Lakas, oh. So, ito yung mga endorsement ni Alden. Ribisco Crackers. Saka yung billboard ni Alden for video with Bel Mariano. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.